once again, this is Anna.
Dia a dia é nós a vera, se brotar o bagulho é doido. Tá tudo monitorado, só os cria cabuloso. Bandido, bandido corre, pois a atividade é posto. Filho da adrenalina, é o bonde fabuloso. Minha vida é um crime, vejo vários.
Think about you lately. All I seem to do, this boy has got me crazy. Yeah, you got me stressing, a little obsessive. I can see it through. You got me stressing, boy, you know just what you do. Yeah, I climb the highest mountain, I sail the open seas. Yeah, oh yeah, oh.
Hola bonita, I know where we can go, mamacita, and we can keep it on the low, and we can keep it on the low.
All right, hello. We are here at the car dealership. There goes Shania in the back. And we are checking out this little Jeep. This is, you know, we wanted a van so we can deck it out, but this is the quickest and easiest way and the cheapest for us. We have to get what's affordable. So we got a mechanic out here doing their thing under the hood. We're getting ready to take a joyride and stuff, and we are excited. We're hoping to get this little Jeep. I mean, it's not really big or anything, but it is a Jeep.
Hey, watch out what you got.
I got one taste, felt real love.
Who first? Who first over there? There y'all. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Now, boy, she come over here next, don't she? She has to alternate. You ain't alternate? How we gonna alternate for the thing? Oh, okay.
I look at the side. I know.
You got one more. You got another crack. Oh, I got another. Okay. Oh, the lights go out. All right, Disco.
Do I have to wait for my ball?
Yeah, you gotta wait for your ball to come back.
That was good. Now you got another go. Watch them balls coming out that thing.
I know that. Watch your hands when the balls come off that thing.
Oh.
All right, then. You got this, mommy. You got this. Yeah.
Everybody pay heed to my Jew.
Cavalo.
You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the Jew.
Just Prince.
My Jew la baju.
I really